Letter C becomes very fair. Okay, let's see what we got for part C. Part C, we got to still isolate that cosine. So we're going to get rid of that plus minus thingy as we normally would with equations. We're going to get 4 cosine of x equals 2 radical 2. Great. Still don't have cosine isolated, so let's get rid of that 4 by dividing by 4. Okay, now we get cosine of x is equal to, well, let's think about that 2/4. We can divide by 2 on the top and bottom, and we get radical 2 over 2. Great, that is in our reference chart, so we can actually identify our reference angle right now as 45, and we can identify that this is positive because that makes a big deal when we're talking about our quadrants. Where is cosine positive? Everything's positive here. Sine's positive here, cosine will be negative. Tangent's positive here, cosine will be negative. Cosine is positive here, great. So this is theta, and this is 360 minus whatever that theta is, that angle is. So let's go get our quadrant set up for quadrant 1 and quadrant 4. 1 becomes easy, that just is the angle, 45 degrees. We got that from our reference right away, pi over 4. Quadrant 4, we're going to subtract 45 from 360, and we get 315. Well, how many 45s does that take? 7. So 7 pi over 4. There's our answer. It came down to, can you reduce this fraction? Can you identify your reference angles and identify the quadrants, etc., etc.? Go remaster.